Hello everybody, today we will discuss another compound meter, 6/8. So 6/8 is slightly more confusing than other simple meters, say 4/4. When you look at 4/4, your intuition would tell you that, hey, I'm looking for 4 groups or 4 beats in a bar. So for 6/8, it's less obvious, so it's something that you have to read up on and instead of something that you can just figure out on your own. So 6/8 can be divided into groups of 2 or groups of 3. So there are 2 ways. So let's take a look at the first group, the first case. Okay. So given 6/8, so there are 6 eighth notes. All right. It can be divided in groups of 3, hence 2 beats. All right. So let's pretend that you have a metronome that's set at 60 beats per minute. All right. And each beat, each click of the metronome is actually equal to a dotted quarter note. So remember, a dotted quarter note is equal to 3 eighth notes. So each beat here is actually equal to 60 beats per minute, and each beat here is actually equal to a dotted quarter note. And I have a metronome that's running at 60 beats per minute. All right. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. All right. So that's the first case. You can divide 6/8 into big groups. All right. And usually the metronome is set to a dotted quarter, which represent this guy here. So this guy is the dotted quarter. Okay. This is a second dotted quarter. All right. Cool. That's the first case. And let's look at the second case. The second case is where you would divide 6 eighth notes into 3 groups. So each group consists of 2 notes, 2 eighth notes. All right. So groups of 2. All right. So in this case, 1 beat is actually equivalent to a quarter note, or just 2 eighth notes. All right. And it would sound something like this. I have a metronome set to, say again, this time let's set it faster. Let's set it to 100. So let's check it out. So it should be 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and... Alright. So usually you would put the accent on the very first beat of this configuration. Alright. So there are 2 different things. Here the accent is actually on 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Here it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So they're 2 different things. All right. So hopefully it makes sense. We'll do a little bit more counting exercise in the next video for 6/8. So stay tuned. I will see you in the next video.